Hello and welcome to the world of my books and stories, and welcome also to a very special celebration on my channel. All this week I am going to be celebrating International Women's Day by putting out videos which feature really strong female characters who feature in my books. When we talk about strong female characters or celebrating women, what we essentially mean is that we as a society respect and accept these women for what they have done. And I believe that this is something that can happen only when we introduce our children to such characters early in their lives. So we show girls that it's fine to be strong, it's great to be resourceful, and we show boys how they need to respect and accept such girls. So do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, because right here you are going to get curated lists of my books for every age group, and these are all about these really strong girl characters. So ready or not, here we go. Today's segment is about the picture book heroines, and I call these girls, the constantly inventive girls, because these are truly resourceful girls who never give up, who just go on, and who are constantly finding new ways of having fun. And the first of these is Neelu, who features in this picture book of mine called Neelu's Big Box. This book is published by Tulika, and it is suitable to be read out to children or to be read by children who are, whose reading levels are good enough to deal with this. And it has lovely illustrations by Shreya Sen. The interesting thing about this book is that it is available in a bilingual format, which means that you get English and one Indian language, which gives you plenty of choices to pick from. So I'm going to leave a link to this book in the description box. Do click on it to buy your own copy of the story of this really inventive girl. So basically the story is about Neelu, who finds a big brown box. She has great plans for it. She's going to make it into a fort, and she also is able to look at various household items lying around her and recognize the potential they have and pick all of those up. But then, just as she's going to set up her wonderful fort, Neelu falls, and her big brown box is now a flat brown box. What happens to Neelu? Does she give up and find something else to play with? No, she doesn't, because remember I told you this is a resourceful young girl. So she finds new ways of enjoying the same brown box. So do go and get your own copy to find out what Neelu does with this newly flat brown box. Now, the second book on this list is this one. It's called My Grandfather's Stick, and it features this young girl, who finds some amazing ways to use her grandfather's stick. So she uses it to row a boat, she uses it to set up a tent. But the best thing is, that she is well aware of what this walking stick actually means to her grandfather, and the book ends with her talking about this and how she enjoys it best when her grandfather uses it in this particular way. Alright, so again, this is a book which has been published by Tulika. It has these lovely illustrations by Kshitij Sharma, and this too is in the bilingual format, which means you get to pick which language you want along with the English. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. Do click on it to get your own copy of this truly inventive girl's story and what she does with her grandfather's stick. Now, the third book in this set of the constantly inventive girls is this one. It's called Amma's Toolkit, and in this case it's a story of two sisters, Tara and Minnie. And Tara and Minnie are at home while their mother has gone away to visit the grandmother. And when Amma is away, there is a crisis in the house. A pipe breaks, the house is flooded, and from the house flooding, it's only a small small matter of then the entire street getting flooded. So Amma comes back to find them in this flooded street, but Amma has the perfect gift for Minnie and Tara, and that's what they use to turn off this leak and to stop the water gushing down through the house and down the street. Okay, so this book is published by Pratham, and it has lovely illustrations by Ashwini Hirenmath. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description box, though of course because it's a Pratham book, you can also find this on the Pratham Story Weaver website. Of course, it's always nice to have your own copy, so do check the link and buy your own copy. So these were the 3 books, 3 girls that I talked about today, the 3 constantly inventive girls who are resourceful and strong and who know just how to turn a circumstance into an advantageous one. Alright, so do like and subscribe to my channel, because coming up next is the second part in my roundup of my picture books featuring strong girl characters in celebration of the International Women's Day. So until the next time, bye bye, keep reading, keep smiling, and thank you for watching.